Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best ATV hunting accessories on Amazon. Many hunters are turning to ATVs to take them away from the expanding suburbia and into the great outdoors. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Champion Power Equipment ATV Winch Kit. The Champion Power Equipment ATV Winch Kit is a small and powerful 2,000-pound winch that will help you pull heavy loads or get your ATV unstuck from a mud pit. It's powered by a 12-volt motor that releases 10.5 feet of cable per minute with no load and 3.3 feet of cable per minute on a full load. The cable is 49 feet long and is made of galvanized aircraft-grade steel that's resistant to fraying or damage, even when used in harsh operating conditions. To improve its pulling efficiency, the winch is fitted with a planetary gear system with a dynamic mechanical brake for smooth and safe operation. Additionally, a handlebar-mounted remote control and a free spooling clutch make this tool easy for one person to operate. Champion backs this winch with a 2-year limited warranty. Just be warned that the controller can be somewhat cumbersome since it has large buttons that are hard to press. Number 2. HME Products Truck Hitch Game Hoist. Lift 400 pounds of the game up to 8.5 feet in the air with the HME Products Truck Hitch Game Hoist. It attaches to your ATV's hitch receiver and comes with adjustable foot support that balances the hoist on uneven surfaces. The game is hoisted on a hanger with a 360-degree swiveling shaft that lets you rotate the game. After finding a suitable position for dressing the game, you can lock down the hanger to keep it from swiveling with the gambrel locking system. A rotating handle on the right hand lets you adjust the height of the hoist from 74 to 102 inches. The hoist is made of high-strength steel that's weather-resistant and capable of holding the game in the air for hours as you initiate the skinning process. However, this hoist can be somewhat challenging to assemble, and you will need multiple tools to set it up. Also, it will rock from side to side if you don't anchor it properly. Number 3. Batis Moto Gear ATV Cover. The Batis Moto Gear ATV cover is a camouflage cover for your ATV that will come in handy when you need to leave it unattended and hunt your game on foot. It's made of a durable fabric with an elastic hem that provides a snug fit on the ATV and also helps to keep the cover intact even in strong winds. The fabric is also waterproof and has taped seams that further help to keep water out. It will help protect your four-wheeler from dust, dirt, debris, rain, intense sun rays, and more. It will be easy to find your ATV at night thanks to the bold yellow stripes on the fabric that are highly reflective at night. What's more, the cover is available in different sizes ranging from small, medium, to large. Number 4. Titan Ramps ATV Rear Cargo Basket. Carry extra gear and supplies on the Titan Ramps ATV Rear Cargo Basket, which is easy to load up, unlike standard storage boxes and backpacks. The rack is made of alloy steel that's molded into a mesh design, so dirt and debris fall through and leave your supplies clean. The metal is also powder-coated so it can resist rust when exposed to the elements. Installing it should be a breeze since it comes with all the necessary mounting hardware and bolts for attachment. The only downside is that it leaves your load exposed to dirt and road debris, so you may have to cover it with a small tarp if you need your supplies clean. Number 5. Kolpin Matrix Seat Bag. With a huge number of rear ATV saddlebags on the market, the Kolpin Matrix Seat Bag stands out as a quality storage unit that offers great value for money. It's a camouflage bag with a 3-piece design that includes detachable bags. The bag doesn't sacrifice comfort as it includes a padded seat and back. The armrests are 2 storage bags that you can use to fit your gear, and the center bag is a cooler bag that can fit a dozen beverages. You can secure smaller items with the external shock cords included. It only weighs 5 pounds when empty and offers 2.02 cubic feet of storage. It's also built for the outdoors with a waterproof and UV-protected nylon construction. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.